To remove and replace the scags on your 650 Titan Adventure, follow these steps. When replacing scags, always replace in pairs and follow all warnings listed in the owner's manual. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface. Then, safely raise and support the front of the sled so the skis are approximately 6 inches from the ground. Next, remove the attaching nuts and washers from the skag. Now, pry the skag down and out to remove the ski. Remove the front end first and then the rear. Continue by inspecting the skag for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Skags should be replaced when they have worn to half their original diameter and should always be replaced in pairs. Next, align the skag studs to the ski mounting holes and install the skag. Then, install the washers and skag nuts. Torque the nuts to specification. Once complete, safely lower the snowmobile to the ground. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.